Okay, my people. So last time that I did arrow here, some of you had a lot to say about my method. That oh, I shouldn't have closed the pot. That oh, I should have washed the spinach even though it clearly said already washed. That oh, I put the crayfish at the wrong time. So okay, I heard you guys and I went to call my very good friend, a son from the soil. Okay, Bayangi man himself. I told him that my brother, come and show me how to do this arrow. And we were so fortunate that we found water leaf like. So this is like arrow water leaf, not this spinach arrow that we are doing here all the time. This is water leaf arrow, like original one. So I called him that okay, please come and help me because these guys on my Facebook, they are some of them were telling me all sorts of things. Come and show me your own method. Like don't be, twisting it. Just show me exactly the way your mom showed you. And when I saw him taking this glass of wine, I knew that now things are about to go down. So we finished picking the water leaf, and then he told us that we have to slice the water leaf because that's the process. So after that, he saw that no, the water leaf is small. That let us add spinach. So I went to the fridge and got this small spinach. So we added on top. So we finished prepping the spinach and water leaf. Then I went ahead and washed it because at this time around, I was his sous chef. I was not the chef this day. So I was just following his instruction because I wanted to do this aho exactly from a Bayangi man himself. Which comes from his mom as well. So he went ahead and put the meat, in the pot to boil. And I was first of all surprised by the amount of water he used to boil the meat because me, I'm used to, to make a you don't boil meat with much water, but he put water that for me was much. I was like, okay, I'm not talking, I'm just trusting the process, right? Let's trust the process. So I trusted the process. He went ahead, put the smoked fish. Now he was explaining me that we have to put pepper. So I just took pepper. I was about to put the pepper in the pot, and he stopped me that no, I shouldn't be putting pepper like this. That I should first of all remove that tip of the pepper, wash it before I put it. I said, okay, fine, go ahead, bro. Then he removed the meat from the pot and poured it in a container. I was surprised because he wants to boil the water leaf with that meat. I thought that we used to boil water leaf with meat. Anyway, that is Canada he's putting in that pot. Canada was already boiled by my wife earlier. So he's mixing the thing with the pepper and then he's adding it back again to the water leaf pot. I'm like, my brother, I saw the amount of water that came out from the meat. He told me that no, it is normal. I'm like, okay, I thought that what Aero is supposed to be a bit dry, but he told me that no, Aero should not be too dry. It should be a bit moist. There should be some moisture, some liquid. I said, okay, fine. Now we are adding the arrow leaf that we already washed. We are spinning. As you guys can see, he's adding oil, but there's still some moisture, right? So we added two kinds of oil, the village style and then the refined version. Now we added crayfish. I think he added it at the right time, not like I did last time. I made a mistake. I added the crayfish before. So now he's spinning it and he tells me it's about to be done, but he added a little bit of oil. And he put just one Maggi, this big pot like this was just one Maggi. I think he put a bit of salt too. So this is our arrow, guys. What do you guys think? If you are from Bayangi, as well, if you're a Manu person, please, is this the way? Because he later on turned the pot, as you guys can see, tell me that no, we have to turn the arrow pot like that with the hand. I said, fine. So I made the fufu and I said, I'm going to taste this arrow coming from the Bayangi person himself. Let me taste the arrow and see, if you've worth the hype. Now I can see already how the arrow looks different from mine. I can see already how the texture is different because my arrow texture was a bit very leafy and his own is very very moist. So I thought, okay, let me give it a bite. And guys, I think that this arrow, in terms of the taste, he was right. I think that the taste is very very rich. It's not exactly what I'm used to. I'm used to a more leafy arrow, but this texture was good. I can find myself liking it. And the next day, when I warmed the next day, it was even greater. So what do you guys think of this arrow? See you guys. Bye.